Is Edda smá jealous? Högni, dost thou know Gerdis that iðavellir, iðandi means moving, is the silent field ever moving within itself, the non-excited vacuum state of the quantum field, whereas creation, what which our senses register, is excitations of that field, expressions of consciousness in consciousness. Gerdis, I would like to love thee. Högni, Ginnungagap is silence. Via is dynamism offering himself to the silence. The ever-ongoing process of Odin Vili Via, Hilbert Space Operators states, Rishi Devata chantas in Samhita. Hilbert Space Odin the Knower. Högni continued, At this moment I teach everyone to Nisa neither, so that all men become familiar with this innermost power. Here there is no space, no time, no thought. Gerdis, Högni, I am not listening. I want thee to love me, here and now. A long silence. Fjölvur appears. Fjölvur means a great protector, and says to Högni, Thou canst love her. She will not conceive thy offspring. She only wants thy love. Her fate allows not for that she becomes thy lifelong love. That will be only when thy life consort Gersime comes into thy life. She will bear thee a girl, Hnoss, who, when she is only 2 years old, will save thy life. But that is not now. That is in future times. Edda smá worried and upset. I told my father that I would need to watch over Högni. Högni is so innocent that he is always getting himself into odd situations and troubles. He trusts everyone. I do not even know if he knows what to do. Elf maiden Fjölvur smiles. The girl knows. Why art thou so concerned and worried? Art thou a tiny bit jealous? Thou knowest, Edda smá, that thou shalt protect Högni from enemies, not from friends. Thou knowest that Högni loves thee so dearly, but not in this way. That is up to thee thyself, how he loves thee. How dost thou want his love for thee to be? All girls will always want to love Högni, that thou knowest. Edda smá mjólkuhvít, white as milk. His skuld, karma, is that girls want him, want to love him, be with him. Why didst thou want to go with him from Hveradalir? Thy father was not all too happy with that, remember? Thou likest Högni, right? Dost thou remember who decided and had her way? Thou thyself, not thy beloved Pappi Sámur, was it? Thou knowest that Högni Víðhöttur is brought up in heathenry, where mothers and girls decide, and as they bid the boys and husbands do. Högni always does what girls ask of him. Edda via Ása, thy beloved mamma, is enlightened. She is the wisdom incarnated. She is everywhere. She is with thee all the time. It was she who asked my elf queen to send me to guide you all, and all your collection of the ancient knowledge. A drastic change will be, Edda via Ása knows. Christianity from Rome will dominate in Iceland. There will be patriarchy and its domination of women and girls. Then disdain of women and subjugation takes place. That will be endured for 1,000 dark years of ignorance and suffering here in our beautiful land, Iceland. But now we still have the heathen way of free women. Remember, Edda smá, thou shalt protect Högni from enemies, not from friends. Thou knowest that Sigurdríf and Hugmóður love each other when they want. Edda smá, they are older, have known each other for a long time. Fjölvur, for several years their mothers forbid that they play together. Edda smá, Sigdrífar's elf jewel, which she got from Hlín, her grandmother, changed all and united the two settlers' families in Erknig. Edda smá, will boys love me? Högni comes out of the birchwoods, smiling and shiny, together with Geirdís. Edda smá knows that she does not have a say in the matter of Högni's lovers. She must simply learn that.